Look at this and this faceless YouTube channel. Their content is almost the same, but their data performance is all good. Almost every one of these accounts can get 5K followers in 1 month. So how much do they make? Using mine as an example, I received $300 from the YouTube Creator Program, and that's the smallest part. I also get a lot of collaboration emails every day. The average price for accounts like mine is $700 for a whole video. If they post 2 collaboration videos every week, the maximum income for a YouTube channel is $4,000. So if you can bulk create these videos, it could be even more. Well, creating such a video is much easier than you think. Today, I'll show you how to create this video totally free. Listen, with so many AI short video generators coming out, viewers are starting to get tired of this kind of boring and repetitive content. So, the ones paying for all this are the short video creators who spend $80 every month on AI tools. Meanwhile, these faceless YouTube channels can make more than $4,000 every month. It's a sad story if you've also spent a lot on it before. Anyway, today, I'll tell you how to create this kind of faceless channel faster and for free. Let's dive right in. Here are the 4 must-have things. I'll show you how to use tools to finish all these steps. First, let's go to speaking character, and you can use any free image generator. The key is the prompt. Listen, just generate an animated avatar. It'll fit better in our next step. Try to create someone who looks like you because your speaking habits often match your appearance. This will make your content sound more reasonable and believable. The thing that will ultimately boost your income is your audience's conversion ability. Audiences will only believe people who build a strong relationship and trust with them. So make your speaking character look like a real human. And then, we need to make this avatar speak. Listen, you don't need to generate an 8-minute character video. Just create a 30-second clip and repeat it. Let's go to Creato AI. You can create a 1-minute animated avatar video for free. Just upload our avatar here, choose any sentences from our script, and paste them here. Then click Generate. Now, you'll get a perfect speaking character.
Now we're going to CapCut. Upload all the materials we have, and match the content here.
Now, we're going to generate scripts. Unlike short videos, scripts for longer videos take much more time. Well, I did have a method. This script workflow is the easiest way to make your video go viral in first month. First, find 20 faceless YouTube channels whose most popular video must have more than 10K views. Then check all their content in the past months. Find which topic has been shared by more than 3 accounts. Listen, this is the most important part. As once a topic go viral, YouTube's algorithm will prefer the same topic. If your content is almost the same, you will get more traffic. It's even no matter about your editing skill. And there's a formula in script writing. If you check the chapters of these videos, you'll find the structure is the same. First, it's the hook, then show the success examples, then tell you how to make it, and finally, give a summary. Okay, it's a very classic how-to AI video structure. But all we really need to write is the hook. Because once people are hooked in the first 30 seconds, they'll watch the whole video. Then we can leave the rest to AI. So, just copy the first 30 seconds of their script, keep the structure, but change the keywords like this. Next, copy the rest of the script and give it to ChatGPT to rewrite. Until now, it just cost me 10 minutes, and I've already got a script. Now, we're going to turn the script into an AI voice. Try to make it as realistic as possible. ElevenLabs is the best choice, but if you want to create 2 long videos a week, you'll have to pay $22 every month. You can also use different emails for free credits. Now we're going to CapCut. Upload all the materials we have and match the content here. It's already a good video, but not an excellent viral video. From my experience over the past year, here are my tips. Spend more than 1 hour editing the first 30 seconds. A good hook means 99% success. So what should a good hook contain? Real success examples, growing numbers, fancy outlines, etc. Make sure your hooks contain the most viral parts of your video. I'll use Auto AE to create viral hooks. It's much easier than AE, and they update with the most trendy hooks from faceless channels. I'll create 2 to 4 clips based on my script, then fill them into my hooks to make them as viral as possible. Then never devalue the animation effect. Nobody can focus on a static video for more than 30 seconds, especially with an unknown avatar. So, add transition effects, and come in and come out effects to every clip. Then you can turn things into this. All right, this is almost everything I want to share today. Other YouTubers might stop here, but I still want to tell you more truth. Actually, you have to spend at least 4 or even 5 hours on such a long video. And for your first video, you might just get 150 views. But trust me, in all the success examples, if you keep posting more than 5 videos, you'll start to see real growth. Once your channel gets more than 5K views, you can start repeating your success, build your own influence team, and achieve $4,000 in passive income in times. All right, that's my personal growth experience. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Don't forget to like this video.